Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be giving you a long-term ownership review of Crompton Greaves high-speed Decora ceiling fan 48 inches brown, which is 3 years and 3 months old. Here are a few clips from the day I installed it, February 12th 2017. The video was put in a little bit later on. So you can see I'm assembling the blade of the fan, and now the fan is running really awesome. Now coming to the present condition of the fan, it's in my bedroom. If you think the fan's color is faded, you're wrong. The fan was recorded in two different places. As you move into the light, you can see the color. The blades are quite dusty because I'm using it every day in my bedroom. Lots of dust equals to good airflow and great performance. Fan will be cleaned soon. That's no big of a deal. The blade is also angled really well to give you maximum airflow at times. So now let me show you the side angle of the blade. You will see how the blade is curved at the edge. That curve is what gives you the airflow, the performance. So it gives 230 cmm of airflow and the RPM is 370 RPM, while the previous versions had 225 or 228 cmm of airflow and RPM was 390. That time the blade angles were less. Now the blade angle has been increased for more RPM in the increasing temperatures year by year. It's not the fact that those fans can't be used anymore, they can also be used, but these new ones are being prepared according to the temperature analysis and everything we have nowadays as well. Coming to the decos of the fan, nothing has broken except for a few scratches here and there which were caused during moving the fan. The fan is maintained really well except for a few decorative scratches. Those are common in most deco fans. Like you can see, there's no scratch in the paint or anything that is alarming. The fan is regularly cleaned, and if you want to clean the deco, you can either remove it or you can put a earbud in that empty space between the blade and the deco and clean it as well. These are the two options to clean it. Rest all, fan is in really great shape. Nothing is cracked or broken. It had one capacitor change, which I did. I think I made a video on it as well, PVC capacitor versus oil capacitor. That PVC capacitor was there when I did the Lotus ceiling fan experiment. That time it weakened the capacitor because PVC capacitors basically don't last long, so I put in a Tipcon 2.5 microfarad oil capacitor. Gives you the best performance. Now let's switch on the fan and see the airflow and performance that it gives. It's in 5 speed. Now it has taken up its 370 RPM. Acceleration is not a problem. Oil capacitors give that power really well. Airflow is really nice. I can sleep all day with this fan on. As this is the summer heat, summertime fan reviews are best. So people who would like to purchase this fan are obviously welcome. Fan is 2000 rupees in the market. Worth the money. 3 blades, 370 RPM, 230 cmm of airflow. No fan provides that. Like, fans provide that, but when it comes to Crompton, you know that there's a quality and trust that is put into building the fans. Fan also has lots of color range, like dusky brown, lavender, ruby, white, bianco, ivory, aqua gold, ginger gold, etc. I have a white HHD old model, that is a 2006 one, but it still has all its blade decorative and the motor deco as well intact, so that proves you how good the deco quality is. That fan will get a restoration as well. Video will drop in soon. I'll also link my friends' high-speed Decora unboxing videos in the description, ginger gold and aqua gold, and I'll link the video to this fan's unboxing 3 years ago as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this small review. hopefully the more people would like to buy this fan in the future and use it and give me your review as well. Existing owners of the fan might comment down your reviews as well. If you guys have any questions, anything about the fan or anything on my YouTube channel, you may put down in the comment section. I'll answer it with all the happiness. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon. Also, to everyone watching this video, please do obey the lockdown rules in your area during the coronavirus outbreak, so that you prevent the spread of coronavirus or anything, the virus being yourself contracting the virus. Stay home everyone, stay safe, enjoy the lockdown time, learn new things. So guys, see you in the next video.